Hello everyone, this is Athena with Saunders Property Management. I'm excited to show you one of our rentals at 5388 Farmhouse Trail. It is conveniently located off of Jonestown Road near Highway 421. This community has access to a pool. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit. Right as you walk in, we are in the living and dining space. This leads into the open kitchen. Comes with all stainless steel appliances. Nice built-in bar. There is also a small patio area in the back. On this main level, there is also a half bath. On the second level, we have the bedrooms and bathrooms included with the laundry. Got a nice personal feature here. First bedroom. Down the hall we have the laundry unit. And a master with nice vaulted ceilings.